Hi guys, it's LG here today, and I'm just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to install the Tmodloader to install Terraria mods on your Terraria game. Easy as. People struggle, think they're going to lose the worlds, but I'm going to back up my world first and show you that nothing's going to happen. Anyway, so let's get on with the video. So first of all, you just want to go to this site. It's called it's the Tmodloader website. You want to scroll down to the downloads. I'll link this in the description also. Downloads, I'm on Windows, but if you're on Mac and Linux, I've not got a tutorial for that. It should be pretty straightforward, just look up tutorial, but I'm doing it for my operating system, which is Windows, and which most probably is. And I will download this file. This can take quite long, but whilst I'm doing that, I'm just going to show you how to get to your Terraria Steam directory. So you want to go into your Steam account, mine's just here, set up, Terraria, properties, local files, browse local files, and here's your Terraria folder. This is not with all your saves in it, and here we have a Terraria original backup. This is because I installed Game Launcher. It will be different, it will just be a normal Terraria. But what you want to do is Control-C and Control-V. So this is your copy. This is where you play your vanilla game, and this is where you play the modded. So now what you want to do, I'm just going to go like this, and then now I've got this file. I want to show in folder. This is just so it's easier. And then on the desktop, I have actually got a Terraria Tmod file. So you just want to put this in here, and then here we have it. And this is all that you need. Now what you want to do, I'm just going to make this a bit smaller. I'm just going to close the downloads and just make that smaller as well. Now what you want to do, because you've made that copy, you want to click on this. Then you want to Control-C all these files in the zip. You want to go on, click on that, Control-V. Hopefully it should work. Should work very soon. It just copies. And you can install the mods via Tmodloader, so it's a lot easier. Replace file in destination, otherwise it won't work. Now, you've got a Terraria file, and if you double click this, this will work. And I can delete this copy now. Nothing's going to happen, because you see the symbols are slightly different. This is the Tmodloader symbol, and this is the original symbol. Now, nothing's going to happen to this. You can put a shortcut and add it to your desktop. But I'm just going to close all the files now. And to back up your worlds before that, I should have done this before, but basically before you do that process, you want to go into your documents folder. You want to go into my games, not Skyrim, Terraria, and then players and worlds. Now you want to go copy these, send to compressed zip folder, or any, if you got WinRAR, send to a folder there. That's not worked. Wait, so back up Terraria, that should have worked. And now if you go in here, you've got your worlds backed up. No, it will work with the players. I'm just going to copy that and put it in the Terraria backup. It doesn't work because it's empty, but it doesn't really matter. That's how you back up your Terraria game, and you can put this onto a USB drive if you want, but I just keep it in here. Nothing's really going to happen to it. And I do make a scheduled Steam Cloud backup, so it's all nice and safe. That's about it for the video. You just launch it, and my Terraria is playing up a bit, so it won't launch, but if you launch it from Steam, it will load up your Terraria Tmod, and you can install mods via the loader. Anyway, that's just a quick tutorial on how to install it the safe way. Thanks for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys. I've been LG. Goodbye.